crafty friends, it's Caroline and I am back with haul video number 2 for today. Yes, I returned from Utah to find that there were a couple packages waiting for me. Yay, that was a lot of fun. So this one is from Spellbinders and they were having their big warehouse sale and their deals were amazing. Every single thing that I purchased was $1. You guys, it was $1. So I'm going to go very quickly through the things that I found. I don't know if they're still having their sale. I haven't checked on their website. If they are, I'll link it in the description below. But I will say that I missed this sale last year and I got on their mailing list. And so you can get on their mailing list, their email list, and they will email you when it comes. It's about this time every year. It's, late April-ish, mid to late April. And just look for it next year because it is worth the wait. I've been waiting a year. So these are the goodies that I found. One of the things that I picked up were these really cute paper clips. And this one is the Cool Tune Elements. And it is music notes. Can you see those? And apples. And kind of like a teaching sort of theme, but with music. And it's super cute. There's treble clefs and, of course I can't get these two. Oh, there we go. Let me see if I can put it on a piece of paper so you can see it. There's also glasses. There's an apple. Super cute. So that is the, let's see, it's called the Cool Tune Elements Pack. And again, you guys, this was how much? $1. So those are adorable. And then this one is called the Fam Bam Elements. And it's all travel related. You've got, pedestrians, you've got cars, you've got airplanes, just the cutest little paper clips, right? They're adorable. And I thought they were really fun. And then the last one that I picked up is called Fun Day. And it's spring themed. There's also little bunnies. And these are a little different. Instead of the shape being the actual paper clip, they are raised above. So they're not included in the paper clip. They are, intended to be above that. So let me see if I can't get just super, super, super cute, right? And again, they were $1. So that was, I don't know, the bargain shopper in me was very happy that I was able to catch the sale this year. I had been very disappointed that I missed out last year, but determined I was going to be included on the sale this year. So those were the paper clips that I picked up, the decorative paper clips. And then, of course, it's Spellbinders, right? So I got some stamps and some dies. And this one's really cute. It's called Kara's Flower Stamps. And there's 3 stamps with it that make this really pretty flower and vase and butterfly. These are fun. They are feather dies, and I thought this would be really fun to play around with. I also picked up this Coreopsis die set to make the Coreopsis flowers. Super pretty. And then this one I'm super excited about. It is a make your own jolly card kit. And it is a woman and an apron, and it's kind of holiday themed, but really this could be any kitchen theme time. It doesn't have to just be for Christmas. And I love the idea of having the apron, and yeah, I thought it was really cute. I think it also comes with like an apple pie and some other stuff. This one is really pretty. It's a Jane Davenport stamp called, Fluent Fantastic, I think is the name of it. And it is just, it's really pretty. If you can see these images of this woman's face, and just really cute. Speak Fluent Fantastic, it says. I like it a lot. And then here is a cherry blossom die. I picked up a few flowers. They didn't have a lot left. While I did get the notification, you guys, this stuff goes fast. So I got the notification. I went on the website. I put stuff in my shopping cart. By the time I went to check out, like half of the things in my shopping cart were already sold out. So it is a jump on it situation. But these were really pretty flowers. And so I wanted to pick them up and have them in my stash for when I needed them. And this one is a really neat little word set. It's called Our Journey. I'm sorry, it's really loud. And this one has all sorts of different holiday sentiments, right? So it's got boo, fall, love, there's bat, a leaf, a couple leaves here. These are like holly leaves and holly berries, joy, and a heart. And so it's just a nice little holiday collection. And then I really liked this die as well because it's supposed to look like a Polaroid frame, you know, like the old Polaroid pictures, you know, you can shake them and they develop. And I thought that would be really neat because it's easy to put the words then down here and some of the other, you know, die elements around it. It's just a super easy way to dress up a picture, right? I just thought it was super great. And then I also picked up this 3-pack of Fusion ink sponges because I'm always needing something to apply some inks and stuff with, and that was a great deal. I don't think I bought this. I think they just tossed this in here. It's not on my invoice, and I'm just certain I didn't buy it. So I think it was maybe a free gift with the purchase. I don't know, but it's kind of neat. They're acrylic paints that are for different skin tones. So I thought that might be kind of fun to play around with. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I didn't buy it, but you know, might as well. Who am I to argue with what I'm given to use to play with, right? So we'll use that. Fountain pens, you guys. $1 for fountain pens. And look how pretty they are. They're all the Jane Davenport brand. I got 2 in the white, 1 in the black, 1 in the teal. And then they only had 2 of these left, and they are 10 packs of ink cartridges, 2 of each color. Again, $1. $1. I know, I keep saying that, but I've known the sale was coming for a year, and I'm still shocked by it. And then I got ribbon. I got all of this. See if I can stand it up so you can see it all at once. I got all of this ribbon. Look how pretty it is. I know, I'm going to have to get some more jars. You guys, I don't know if you know, but I store my ribbon in jars, and I'm going to have to add a couple jars up there. Look at it. I know. I'm loving it. I'm loving the gingham. I'm loving the stripes. I'm loving the texture on the stripes. I'm loving the double satin, the grosgrain. I love all of them. I think this is going to be so fun to play with. So, yep, I have stocked up my stash. I think it's time for me to go on a spending freeze. I do have an order coming from Country Craft Creations, though, so I will share that with you when I get that. That was so fun to be able to go to Tamara's studio and to see her warehouse and all of the beautiful things that she has over there. And then I had the option of purchasing it while I was there, but I chose to have it shipped to me because my suitcase was full to overflowing with all of the other goodies I was bringing back from the retreat. So that's what happened with that. So I will post that video when that shipment comes, which should be any day now because she has lightning fast shipping. And yeah, that's what I've got for you guys today. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're being nice to yourselves. Be nice to yourselves. And I hope you're finding joy in your journey. So talk to you later, y'all. Have a great one. Bye-bye.